Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a YSL bag unboxing, and the bag that I'm going to be unboxing is the YSL Sunset bag in the size medium. I've been wanting this specific bag for the longest time. I always wanted the one with gold hardware because most of my jewelry is gold hardware, as you can see. And I feel like this bag is perfect for every day, and it goes with all different types of outfits, and it's like kind of like a business attire bag too because it's not too big. It's just a really nice classy bag, and overall with YSL it's like a really nice classy luxury brand. While I unbox it and review it for you guys, I am going to be doing some mod shots just to be like a size reference. I'm going to be showing you guys what fits inside the bag because even though it's a medium bag, it is like technically pretty small, and if you know, you know, and if you don't, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, then DM me if you guys have any questions or concerns. So with that being said, let's get started with this YSL Sunset bag unboxing. So the bag did not come with the box, but it's okay. I usually don't keep the boxes. Well, actually sometimes I do, but I don't have enough room in my closet to keep doing all of that. So I'm kind of glad it didn't come with the box. It came with a dust bag at least, because if it didn't, it wouldn't make any sense. Like, how else would I protect this bag? Once I take it out of the bag, oh my gosh. She is so pretty. She is so pretty. Like, I am like so in love with her. Like, I love the gold one versus the silver, so it'll just make more sense for me to get the gold hardware since I do wear a lot of gold jewelry anyway. The size medium does look pretty small, but on the sides it looks more wide. It comes with this as well, and I decided to put it right here so it can just dangle. Some people take it off, but I just like having mine on just like that. With the bag, it does come with a large pocket, and most likely I would like put my phone in here. This is the best bag to wear if you don't want to carry too much items. You still want to look cute and classy. Wear this every day, and it just goes with a lot of different outfits. I love the material on this. When you open it, it'll look like this. Inside it is all black. It does come with a little pocket right here on the back, and when you want to close it, all you have to do is put it back on like that because it has a magnet. Most of the bags that I do have are pretty spacious and flexible, and that I could squeeze items in there and they would fit perfectly still. But with this bag, as you can see, I cannot do that at all. That's like one con about it. With the bottom of the bag, it just looks like this. You can just lay it right here and it will not move or fall because it's like a really sturdy, stiff bag. Let me show you guys up close on how the hardware looks on the chain. It's not looking yellow, it's not looking dark. It's like the perfect gold color, and I was looking for something exactly like this because some chains on bags, whether it's designer or not, the gold on it can look so off sometimes. So I'm really glad that the gold looks like this. I'm planning to wear this bag just like this over my shoulder, not across, but it is optional if you guys want to do that. It would be this long if you guys would want to wear it as a crossbody. I will show you guys in the mod shots portion of this video on how it'll look if you do decide to wear it as a crossbody. And I really appreciate that this bag does come with at least one leather strap, so I don't have to have like both gold chains on my shoulder. I could still wear this comfortably on my shoulder because of this. For this part of the bag, I believe you can attach a key on here, so that's why it looks like this. You can hide it with this right here, so it'll just look like that on your bag. Now I'm going to show you guys what you can fit in the YSL Sunset medium bag. We're going to start off with the back pocket because most likely I would put my phone in here, since most of the time I'll just grab my phone anyway. This is the case that I have recently got for my phone. It is a Dior case, and I really love how it looks. I would just mainly put it in here like that, or I would put it inside the bag, but I will show you guys how it looks inside the bag just in case if you don't want to put your phone in here. I think I'll put it in this first pocket right here. And I do have the 13 Pro, by the way. It's still closed like that. It's not like bulging the bag. I am gonna put a snack in here, and I'm sure some of you guys love snacking too, but as of right now I do have like a mini juice box, so I'll just use that as like my snack. I would put these sunglasses in here. I did get these off of Amazon. I really love them. I think these are like Bottega inspired, but these are super cute and I would definitely put these in my bag. I'll just put them right here and they fit perfectly next to the juice box. My keys, lip gloss, and this is the Sephora brand, and this is in the shade 01. Was 01 something? Oh yeah, 01 Universal. I'll put that right here. A hand lotion, a breath mint because my breath is not gonna stink, a travel size perfume bottle, insulin or an allergy pen because I am a type 1 diabetic, but if you guys have any allergies then I'll just like pretend this is like an allergy pen, so I'll put that in here too. A hand sanitizer bottle. As you can see, this is like the perfect example. You could fit enough stuff in there, like your main necessities. In the next clip I'm going to be showing you guys some mod shots of me modeling this bag, so if you guys want to see that then stay tuned. So that is all for this unboxing. If this video had helped you, please make sure to like this video and leave a comment below. And do not forget to subscribe to join the Harmony because we are almost at 50K subscribers. I know it means so much to me if you guys will subscribe, especially if you guys love beauty, fashion, lifestyle content, girly content. Then you guys would definitely love it over here. And of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.